Got another organic mechanisms exam question for you to try. So we're up to number 8 now. There it is there. So if you want to have a go at that, pause the video and then play on when you're ready for the answers. Okay, so question 1, what does a curly arrow represent? So we've got 4 shown in the mechanism. So they all represent the movement of a pair of electrons. Moving on to question 2, explain the type of bond fission which occurs in step 2. So you can see I've already highlighted the bond involved. So the type of bond fission is heterolytic, and that's because the covalent bond that's broken, so this bond here, both of the electrons go to the same atom. So there's my answer. The type of fission is heterolytic fission. So the explanation, heterolytic, both electrons go to the same atom. Fission, the breaking of a covalent bond. Question 3, explain the role of the water molecule in step 3. So there's the water molecule there. What's it doing? It's donating a pair of electrons to that carbon with the positive charge. So it's acting as a nucleophile. Question 4, explain the role of the H+ ion in the mechanism. So let's have a look at what it's doing. So the H+ ion is reacting in step 1, but it's being reformed in step 4. So it's acting as a catalyst. And the final question, question 5, epoxy ethane reacts with methanol to form a compound with the molecular formula C3H8O2. Suggests the structure of this compound. So to help me explain this, I've got this equation here for the reaction of epoxy ethane with water. So if we think about water as HOH, remember this bond is the one that gets broken in the mechanism above. So this O here will take that H and form this hydroxyl group. And that leaves space on this carbon for the other OH group. So if we draw methanol underneath in the same format, so the only difference now is instead of HOH, we've got CH3OH. So all we need to do is change that H there into a CH3 group. And we've got the structure of the product. And you can see it fits the molecular formula C3, 1, 2, 3, H8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 O's, 1, 2,